Oh yes, up 20%, you ripper. Gonna be getting myself that Tesla baby, Model Y for Chrissy. Woo! Didn't put my stop loss on properly. I've been liquidated. Honey, we're gonna be on pot noodles this month. Sorry. Did you know that over 90% of traders end up losing their money long term? The reality of the situation is, no matter how much experience you have or you believe you have within cryptocurrency trading, the odds are stacked against you and you are more than likely to lose not just a little, but probably a lot of money for the long term. I'm definitely not encouraging you to not learn anything about technical analysis. I think it's a really deep and interesting topic, and I do think it definitely holds some weight when it does come to cryptocurrency trading and investing. But what I am saying to you is there are programs and software available out there to assist you on that journey to retaining some profits. This is going to be especially important considering the fact that I personally believe the real BTC and cryptocurrency bull market will not even officially start until sometime in Q1 of 2021, with all of this new institutional money, trillions of US dollars entering the market. Everybody's strategy, of course, is going to be different and does come down to a number of factors around your own personal lifestyle, and that is something that you're going to have to slowly work out over time on your trading and investing journey, whether that be in cryptocurrency or traditional finance. But for me, however, the way I like to go about it is I always make sure that I have a long-term investment strategy where I dollar cost average a minimum of 70% of my cryptocurrency portfolio. So I don't touch 70% of my net worth. I leave it for the long term, and I'm not even going to bother looking at that until I really feel like I need it, or at least until BTC hits a minimum of around 100 to 500,000 US dollars per BTC. As for the other 30% of my net worth though that I do hold in cryptocurrency, I'm open to taking a few more risks with that money, and I'm open to learning about trading and using some services to help me lock in some of those profits in the next bull run. In this short video, I'm going to be talking to you out there about Bitsgap Trading Bot and how this is my new bot of choice that I have started using, and why I think it's one that you may want to consider having a look at. Whilst I do use all of the services and products that I do speak about in these videos, you must understand though, when it comes to trading and investing in particular, you must always make sure you do your own research, and any decisions you decide to make financially based off any of my videos, you must take them as a pinch of salt the same way that you would with anybody else on YouTube. I'm not your financial advisor, and these videos are never financial advice. The interface that I'm going to be showing you in today's video is a part of the premium service for Bitsgap Trading Bot. If you feel like by the end of this video you are equipped and maybe feeling like you want to take the decision and start giving this bot a go, there will be a referral link at the top of the description in this video. While there are certainly no guarantees in this life and you have to work hard for everything that you get, Bitsgap Trading Bot is one of those services that have developed an optimum trading strategy to save you money over time by creating an efficient working AI system that just works for me. So if you want to hear a little bit more about all of that, then I suggest you stay tuned for the whole video. Cheers, viewers. You can still enjoy this one. Use the bilateral. What is good, YouTube and friends? You are here chilling the real Satoshi Aoki on the channel where we always aim to bring you the no BS crypto content and keep you up to date with the latest stuff that is going out on there in the world of cryptocurrency. In today's video, before we do jump in and have a look at this Bitsgap bot, which I'm super excited about, by the way, I just want to take just a moment to announce my current Christmas giveaway. That's right, I'm going to be giving away 250 USD, baby, worth of BTC to one lucky winner who was able to guess the #1 cryptocurrency for me. So it might not be exactly what you think it is, all right? But the cryptocurrency is located somewhere within my channel. And then on top of that, you have to guess my #1 favorite traditional stock. If you can guess those two things, like the video, comment your answer on this video. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, of course, and give me a follow on Twitter and retweet this video on Twitter as well with your answer. Then you'll go into the draw to winning that $250 worth of BTC just after Christmas time. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are on Bitsgap.com, the all-in-one trading platform for your Bitcoins and other cryptocurrency. As we scroll down here, let's check it out. So we are going to be looking at the grid trading bot features today, but they also do signals and arbitrage. One thing that I really loved from the get-go about this company is that the support team is absolutely fantastic. As soon as I signed up for the free version and then added the premium features, the support team were just absolutely over-delivering to make sure I understood exactly how to use their services, which I believe is extremely important for any company, especially in the cryptocurrency space. So as you can see here as well, they trade on Binance, Bitfinex, Kraken, and over 25 other of the major cryptocurrency exchanges. And there's some more information if we do scroll on down here about some platform features. You can take a bit of a look at that there. The link for this website will be in the description of this video with the referral link as well. And there's some media attention about them as well, and some more information about how you can get started. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so let's check this out. So just remember, to access the full features of Bitsgap, you will need to be signed up to the premium version, but you can test it out for free. Make sure you do use the link in the description of this video when you do go out and do that. So if we do just have a look here, let's have a look at the main features of this bot. So if we just start from the top here and work our way down, okay, we've got a simple and advanced strategy here. Just for the purpose of this video, we'll just keep it on the simple phase here, as I know of you out there are just getting into trading bots in my viewership. So you've got your strategy options here. We've got some more information on the S-bot strategy, which is the one that I've been testing out recently. High efficiency bot that generates maximized returns within the investment limit. And then we've got the classic bot here, which uses the same amount of base currency equivalent in each grid to maximize your return, okay? So a bit more of a stable one through the classic bot, and this one's designed for greater efficiency, okay? So if we come out of that one there, you've got the options for your exchange here, ladies and gentlemen. So before, when I showed you, you've got your options here, Binance, Bitfinex, Bittrex, okay? I use Binance primarily, so I'll likely be attaching my Binance exchange when I start doing the real trading, okay? So you've got the exchange there, which you can select, and you've got your trading pairs here, okay? So whatever trading pairs you want to trade with, they're all here, okay? And something that I really do appreciate about Bitsgap is that we just have a bit of a scroll down here. On this strategy section here, right, this is freaking awesome, okay? So they've got recommended strategies and some other strategies that you can use here, okay? Which I think is absolutely brilliant. So as we can see here, GRT to USDT pair is up 203%, okay? The GRT to ETH pair is up 203.64%, okay? So if you're liking the look of how that looks, okay, and you think that's gonna be bullish for maybe the next week or so, you can include one of these strategies pretty much right away from the get-go, okay? If we do take a bit of a scroll back up here, so that was the pair. Now, the lower and upper price limit. So generally speaking, all right, these are the grids here. Generally speaking, when we are consolidating, so it looks like we're in a bit of a consolidation phase here, we want to have a 50-50 split. So that's the same amount of room on top and the same amount of room below. So the same lower limit, which is 50%, and the same upper limit, which is 50%, because we want to keep a nice steady range considering the market is consolidating, so that if the price drops within that 50%, we can buy, and if the price increases just within hopefully 50%, we can get a nice sell on there, okay? If we're in more of a bullish market, for example, we would want to increase that lower price limit. So we would want to bring that lower price limit up. And if we're in the upper price limit, we would want to increase that upper price limit so that if we have a big bullish movement up, okay, we're gonna be able to still make some profitable trades, or we're gonna allow the bot to still make some profitable trades because we have set that upper price limit a little bit higher. It works the same in the other way. So if we're in a bearish market, so the market is turning down, we're able to buy in at a low price because we've set that lower price limit, okay, and we can decrease that upper price limit as well, okay. So if we scroll down and have a look at the grid quantity here, so we can actually change this. So essentially, as you can see, we've got a grid quantity of 56 and the spacing between the grids is 3.52%. If we were to increase this grid quantity to say 100, all right, we've got a grid spacing now of 1.94%. Equally, if we were just to leave that at say 5, we've got a grid spacing of 60.93%. Okay, so if we whack that back on 100. So the more grid quantity we have, the less spacing between the grids that we are going to have. Now, as you can see down here, I've got two active bots here. I've got the GRT to BTC pair and the ING to BTC pair. This one I've had going overnight. As you can see here, it's got the elapsed time 11 hours. This one's just been going for 13 minutes, okay? And already this is up 0.44% on the actual bot profit itself. This investment change, don't get misled, okay? Because I know a lot of you out there will be new to this bot thing. That's just the change in the portfolio value, okay? So it's because BTC is down a little bit, all right, for the last 24 or 48 hours. So that's why it represents a lower price there, or a negative investment change there. But the main thing to focus on is what direction this is going. And it's already up 0.44% in the last 11 hours, which I'm absolutely loving. We can also get some more details on this as well. If we go in and view, this is all the trades. I mean, look at this. I was in bed when these trades were going on. I was literally snoring my head off. And that is absolutely awesome. And it gives you the details of the profits which were made here, okay, after we had some sells. Guys, this is awesome. Honestly, this is awesome. I've used some bots before. This is maximum efficiency, all right? This is maximum efficiency. This is true outsourcing. And as you can see here, if we go to the GRT BTC, it's only made one buy order. Literally, I literally just put that on a second ago. It's already made one buy order. That's absolutely awesome. All right, it's really, really cool. You can export it as well if you need to for tax purposes too. And as we see down here, I did mention before the strategies here, and we can also go over to the balance section here. So these are my active balances, okay? And I love it how they've got it in USD value. I've got 358 USD of ING, 54 in BTC, and 1.3 in GRT, okay? So it's got the amount that's in your trades, the amount that you've got available, and of course the exchange that you are using. Also, there's a history section here as well. Then if we go over to the advanced section, ladies and gentlemen, there is some options for some trailing up, a stop loss, and a take profit, which I won't go into too much detail in this video. Otherwise, the video is just going to be too long, but there's some options there for you as well if you are familiar with the advanced settings. All right, so now you just can see that we are on the demo version here. So when you are feeling confident with the demo version, which I do suggest you do try first, you can click on your little icon here. And as you can see, it says demo on. We can switch that off. All right, the demo is now off. And we have now been brought over to the real trading version, where it's essentially exactly the same thing, except it's the real version, it's real money, all right, and you can connect your actual exchange and deposit some actual money here. When we talk about negatives about this Bitsgap bot service, to be honest, it's early days. I haven't experienced any negatives that I would directly connect with the company. Like I did say to you before, the customer service, honestly, I can honestly probably almost say that I have not experienced better customer service with any other cryptocurrency company, just period, that I have used. They are literally there. You actually have to be like, guys, I'm okay. Like, I don't need your help. And that's a good thing, all right? You want to make sure that they've got your back should you be confused or don't know what you're doing, okay? So obviously, you know, you are investing, you are trading, okay? Trading is risky business. I mean, but that's not a negative directed at Bitsgap itself. It's just, unfortunately, it's a negative, or I wouldn't really even say it's a negative. It's just something that you do need to be obviously aware of when you are trading cryptocurrency. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is all we do have for you in today's video. If you're not already in my free Telegram group, make sure you do go over and utilize that invite link in the description of this video. And if you're not already following me on my Twitter, it's SatoshiAoki7, and my Instagram handle as well, where I am going to be putting out some cryptocurrency memes and nice little artwork and content there. So from wherever you are watching in the world, you have a lovely morning, lunch, or evening, and I shall see you in the next video. Cheers, viewers.
Thank you.